how Aurobindo is really taking this transition forward and the leadership from, especially when we look at energy compliance and looking at the adoption of the greener practices. You have obviously taken by the entire fermentation game into the next level. Some insights along this context.
By 2047, sustainability will be the regulatory requirement, not a choice. All industry thinking to not only, there are two ways industry always work on that. One is for the benefit of the industry, other is that for the nature of that, whatever that sustainability requirement. As per Aurobindo concern, last couple of years, we are spending lot of time and energy on certain parameters where we are going, majority of the products we are working on the enzymatic routes, and we are also working especially the manufacturing. We are working on the continuous manufacturing so that we can minimize that wastages. Like I can give the example of that one of the product, like 6-APA. That is penicillin G to 6-APA is the one process. Before we used to do is a chemical reaction. Now it is an enzymatic reaction where water is the only one requirement. There is no any chemical involved in this. Enzyme and then water is the requirement. So today what Dr. Satyanarayana said rightly, China, they are all working on this purely, every product they are working towards that enzymatic routes. The reason is we can minimize this, all these solvents, all these chemicals. So every company is working in the direction. And also on the energy part, if you go and then see today, we are all working towards this solar systems where we are spending a lot of money on this, especially power is the second highest cost in our manufacturing after this raw materials. The utility cost is the highest cost in our manufacturing. Next is the manpower cost is the major. These three, effectively if you work, I think any industry will go in a very profitable way, you can see.